I'm in Howard City, Michigan today. It's a Fun in the Sun car show. Let's see, it's a 78 Trans Am. Chevelle SS, that's a 69. And I've already seen two El Caminos here today. There's another one. There's another one. El Caminos are very well represented here. Olds 442. Dodge Dart Swinger. And yet another El Camino. This one's a little bit special. This is the 1979 Royal Knight. And everything about this one is looking very original. And some people might say, why didn't they at least clean the stuff out of the bed? Well, they didn't want to, or they were in a hurry to get here. Anyway, they have a 40-some-year-old vehicle on the road.